Beyond Instinct: Unveiling the Astonishing World of Animal Cognition. For centuries, humanity positioned itself at the apex of intelligence, largely viewing the animal kingdom as governed by simple instinct, a realm devoid of complex thought or emotion. This anthropocentric perspective, deeply ingrained in philosophy and science, depicted a clear cognitive chasm between humans and all other species. However, a quiet revolution has been unfolding in the scientific community, fueled by groundbreaking research in cognitive ethology. Scientists are meticulously dismantling old assumptions, revealing a vibrant and astonishing world of animal minds that possess capabilities far more sophisticated and nuanced than ever imagined. The study of animal cognition, the investigation into the mental capacities of non-human animals, is not merely reshaping our understanding of other creatures, it is profoundly altering our perception of intelligence itself. The journey to acknowledge animal intelligence began tentatively. Charles Darwin, a century and a half ago, proposed a continuity of mental faculties between humans and other animals, challenging the prevailing dogma of human uniqueness. Yet, for much of the 20th century, the dominant behaviorist school of thought resisted attributing mental states to animals, deeming such inquiries unscientific. It was the rise of ethology, the study of animal behavior in natural environments, that began to provide compelling observational evidence, forcing a re-evaluation. Early revelations, such as Jane Goodall's observations of chimpanzees crafting and using tools, shattered the long-held belief that toolmaking was an exclusively human trait, opening the floodgates to a cascade of discoveries across the animal kingdom. One of the most captivating areas of research centers on problem-solving and innovation. New Caledonian crows, for instance, are the undisputed champions of avian ingenuity. Studies have shown these remarkable birds not only use tools but can also create them, bending wire into hooks to extract food from crevices, or even selecting tools to retrieve other tools needed for a task. This multi-step problem-solving, requiring foresight and planning, demonstrates an impressive level of cognitive flexibility. Octopuses, too, defy expectations for invertebrates. These master escape artists are known for navigating complex mazes, unscrewing jar lids, and even using discarded coconut shells as portable shelters, showcasing remarkable manipulative intelligence and adaptability. Beyond individual ingenuity, the animal world exhibits complex communication and profound social intelligence. Dolphins and whales possess intricate vocalizations, suggesting sophisticated forms of communication that may include individual names or unique identifiers, and they often coordinate complex hunting strategies. Primates, our closest relatives, display evidence of theory of mind, the ability to attribute mental states, beliefs, intentions, desires, to others. They engage in tactical deception, demonstrate empathy, and even exhibit cultural transmission of learned behaviors, where one generation passes knowledge to the next. The celebrated Koko the gorilla, who learned hundreds of signs in American Sign Language, provided a window into the inner world of an ape, capable of expressing nuanced thoughts and emotions. Dogs, through millennia of coevolution with humans, have developed an unparalleled ability to understand human cues, demonstrating a form of interspecies emotional intelligence that continues to astound researchers. Perhaps the most profound revelations concern self-awareness and emotions. The mirror self-recognition test, long considered a gold standard for self-awareness, has been passed by a diverse range of animals including great apes, dolphins, elephants, and even magpies. This capacity to recognize oneself as distinct, separate from others, challenges previous notions of exclusive human consciousness. Furthermore, compelling evidence points to a rich emotional landscape in many species. Elephants have been observed mourning their dead, gently touching bones with their trunks and exhibiting behaviors akin to grief. Chimpanzees share food with those who beg for it and console distressed individuals, indicative of empathy. These observations not only deepen our appreciation for animal lives but also prompt critical ethical considerations regarding our interactions with them. The ongoing exploration into animal cognition continues to peel back layers of assumption, revealing a natural world teeming with diverse forms of intelligence, self-awareness, and emotional depth. From the cunning of crows to the complex social lives of elephants and the navigational prowess of octopuses, these discoveries compel us to rethink our place in the grand tapestry of life. We are not solitary peaks of consciousness but rather part of a vast, interconnected web of sentient beings. This understanding fosters a greater sense of humility, respect, and responsibility towards the incredible minds that share our planet, urging us to embrace conservation efforts and ethical practices that acknowledge the richness and complexity of animal life. The journey into the animal mind is far from over. Indeed, it is one of the most exciting frontiers in science, promising to continually redefine what it means to think, feel, and simply be.